Alright everyone, I'm here at the secret location where we have our Solarcan installed. Now it's secret because I don't want vandals. Anyway, it is around the winter solstice here in the southern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere it's the summer solstice, where they're working with their Solarcans and whatever in the nude because it's much warmer, but I'm not going to do that. That's dark mofo, that's in Tasmania, I'm not there at the moment. Anyway, I'm out here, it's a bit chilly this afternoon to do the Solarcan exchange. And I'll just, hang on a minute, I'll come back and show you a Solarcan. So, Solarcan is basically solargraphy, and it's basically the world's simplest camera in a can. So we can work with that. So it's the world's simplest camera. You'll see why in a minute. No buttons, no batteries, just a little pinhole, just there. It's a pinhole camera, all right? Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering what's on my head, it's my current favourite boy band, Flaming Wreckage, spelt without a C. They are really cool, check them out. Look for them in all the best music video clip areas you can find. So, to maintain my current Solarcan that's up there, the top of my ready-made Solarcan pole, I need two simple devices. I require a pair of cable clippers and, for my installation, a screwdriver to lower my post to the ground. So if you will bear with me, I will spend the next few minutes complaining about why I've installed it this way and fighting amongst the bushes, the special camouflage setup. So off we go. Bear with me, or don't bear with me if you feel like it. So what I'm doing is I put some wedges in using screws to keep an old survey staff in position and relatively stable. So I put some screw wedges in, I put that in my pocket. I'm going to lower the top staff down. So this is my cheap and easy way of elevating the Solarcan. Down one stage, find the next screw inside the system. For some reason it's filled up with rainwater. I think it's been raining. Put that one in my pocket. Screwdriver safely away. Lower the next stage. Right, now I'm going to make everyone dizzy and grab the little new toy off its magnet base and just show you the mounting that I've put on the top. I put a tilted wedge to enable the Solarcan to look a little bit more up into the sky, and just cable tied it to it. So I'm just going to undo these two cable ties to release the beast. I'll put my machine back on its... Now I'm using a GoPro on snap mount. I'm not being paid for this promotion, but it is a really cool idea. So I'll go back now and continue working. So I've removed the Solarcan from its wedge up there, and I'm about to install another Solarcan. And in Solarcan world, there's a little hole that hides about here. I'll hold it. I'm not sure how good the GoPro is at picking up this sort of stuff, but it's a pinhole. Inside the camera, inside this can, is photographic film, and the sun's rays burn onto it. Okay, so I'm not going to open that now, but on the bottom is my little black sticker, which may or may not come off. So that I'll just seal the hole up for now until I'm ready to process the photographic film inside. Okay, so no water in it, even with all the... It's been out for 6 months, we've had lots of rain. Can't hear water inside, but it could be humid inside. It does happen. There are droplets do form inside the can. So it's all an experiment. Every photo is different, does its own different things. Alright, so I'm going to install the next Solarcan up on the thing. So I'll remove the old cable ties and I will dispose of them sensibly, not throwing them on the ground like that. And I will now take my next Solarcan installation out ready to go. So again, there's the black pinhole cover. I'll remove it, put it underneath for safekeeping. Now I'm going to try and align the hole with north. So where I am at the moment, I've worked out where north is. It aligns quite well with the wooden block. So off I go. Got my couple of cable ties. Hopefully I don't wreck up the 2 cable ties that I've got in my hand while I'm doing this installation. And down. I have to get another cable tie because I stuffed that one up. Hang 5. Okay, back with replacement cable ties. All going well, that should be enough. I always have problems doing the simplest bit. Okay, time to trim off excess cables so they don't go in the photo. Alright, here we go. Show you the new installation. Okay, so we've cable tied it around the top rim and here, and the pinhole is about here. Okay, right, time to elevate again. Glasses off for the camera. So, wedging screws. And up we go. The next leaf goes up. Another wedging screw. There we go. The Solarcan set up for the next 6 months till the summer solstice here in Australia. So, ignoring the time when I went up to get another cable tie, that bringing the Solarcan down, putting the Solarcan back up while putting in the wedge screws was quicker than Barnaby Joyce getting the leadership of the country party in Australia. So I hope you enjoy that. Hopefully my new Solarcan will give us some nice images, the one I've just taken out when I get around to processing it. And also, don't forget that check out, where is it? Flaming Wreckage, Cool Boy Band, and they all look good. See you later. Bye.